Hello team. I got a lot of questions on how to change the furnace filter. So I'll show you that in quick video, very easy. So I went to my closest home hardware store and got the right furnace filter. First thing you do is just open the filter door. It's right here. That's open. You take out the old filter. Right here you can see the difference. This is the old one, so black and dirty, and here you can see the new one. It's nice and clean. Make sure that you get the right number, because this number has to match, otherwise it's not going to fit in there. Okay, so now we have the new nice filter, clean filter. Next step here is the airflow. So here you can see there's an arrow here. You got to make sure that the arrow is always facing the furnace. This is the furnace unit, and the arrow has to face the furnace unit. So you put it in there, nice and smooth, arrow facing the furnace, and close the door. Done. As simple as that. Thank you team. Have a nice day. Talk to you soon. Bye now.